from Learn and Grow channel. So today we are going to understand a important concept is and double equal to difference. Okay, let me show you by example. Suppose we have a list equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and now take another list 2 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I check print list 1 equal to list 2, so outcome should be true, because our list 1 is very similar to our list 2. All the elements are sim in same arranged. And if I do print list 1 is list 2, then see what is coming. Then it is coming false. Our value is same, but when I'm doing the double equal to comparison, it is coming true, and in this case is it is coming false. So what is the difference between is and double equal to? So is check your memory location as well. Memory location as well, but double equal to only checks the value. To understand this concept deeply, you should also watch my video of mutable and immutable objects. I will share the link in description. So here if I see the memory location of ID list 1, and here if I see the memory location of ID list 2, so the memory location of both lists are coming different. So when is using is, it's checking whether the memory location is same as well as the value is also same. In that case, is will give you true. Okay. So in case of mutable arguments, the memory address is not same. But if I take example of immutable argument, suppose I take example of integer a equal to 20 and b equal to 20. So if in this case, if I check the memory location of my element A and memory location of my element B. So the memory location is coming as same for this. So when I will use the double equal to operator here, it will give me true, as well as the is operator will also give me the true, because memory location is same. Okay, let me run it again. So now true is coming. See, memory location is also same. So for the object in which the memory address is same as well as the value is same, then in that case is will also give you true as well. Okay, let me give you one more example. If I create a list 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I create another list 2, by using list 1. Now in this case, let me check the ID of list 1 and ID of list 2. So in this case, see, memory location is same because this list is pointing to the same memory location. So if we create the list by using this equal to operator, then by using assignment operator, it means they are sharing, both lists are sharing same memory location. Both list sharing same memory location as well. So it depends how you create your list. So in this case, if I will check list 1 is list 2 and list 1. So in this case, both should come true because the memory address is also same. If I create the list in such a way by using this copy, then there will be a difference because memory location is same. So I hope now you got the idea. To make your concept more clear how the things are happening at the back end, you should watch my video of mutable and immutable object. So I hope now the difference between is and double equal to is clear to you. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.